This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lee Sturm. Come fall in love with this very well-maintained brick ranch home on over 1.5 acres of land. Huge kitchen with wall oven and island, spacious family room with vaulted ceiling. Sunroom off the kitchen and laundry room makes for a fantastic additional comfort space for hobbies, plants, playroom, etc. Recent updates include fresh paint, new vinyl plank flooring in kitchen and laundry room, brand new air conditioner unit, dishwasher, laundry sink, and partially encapsulated crawl space with dehumidifier, vapor barrier, vent seals, and more. Cooktop, fridge, backsplash and water heater with expansion tank were all updated in 2021. Roof approximately 10 years old as per seller. Convenient location, too. The neighboring farmlands set the stage for living in the great wide open while being located just 10 minutes from Elizabeth City. No HOA. 30 minutes to NSA Northwest Annex. Owners have taken excellent care of this home. March 27, 2025. For more information, review the details below.